What's going on, guys? Back at you live again. So back at 5 like I told y'all. So yeah, guys. All right. Some of y'all were asking me about the center console. So this is the 99 to 06 single cab, extended cab, crew cab, center console. It is available at eastcaraudio.net. It is available. So we can check it out. You have that. And guys, we have our marine combo as well. We do having at $4.99, which is a 4 towers, 4-inch, and then the marine amplifier and the module included too as well. Link, what's going on, brother? So right now I do have the G7. I could get you the G7 in 4 or in 2 ohm, and you can wire it down to 1 ohm. So right now this is the hardest seeing sub that I have right now. Ahí estamos, gente. Take care, bud. Ahí tenemos right now the biggest powerful woofer right now is the G7 from DB Drive. This one is rated, guys, at 1250 watt RMS. So yeah, this is one of the best ones I have. I could get it to you in 2 ohm. In 2 ohm. Right now I do have it in 4, but you know, sweetie, you want to do a dual, but we can get you to it in 1. No, Carlito, no spike, no full cows, brother. Fortunately, Mr. Happy, what do you think is the best kicker for 1,000 watts? Honestly, the L7s, I'm a big fan of the L7s, 15s or 12s. They're what, 750, 800 watts. I know the Q class, I believe, is 950 to 1,000. So yeah, that's what I recommend you, bud. Again, guys, this is our page right here. That's you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, eBay, Amazon, and Wish. But yeah, I got it right there, bud. Mario Gomez, what's going on, Mario? So, sí, Carlito, we do have boxes for your Serato. We have them in 210s, 2.8s, and 212s, bro. So we do have the boxes in carpet and bed liner. Rafi, what's going on, brother? I do have the SDRs. I do have them starting at about 159 each SDR, but 600 watts RMS. They're rated at 450 watt RMS, man. So those Memphis are great. But look, guys, good thing people are talking about shallows. Look at the new model from DB Drive. What came out? We do have it here at the shop. It's called the Euphoria Expert Series, guys. This is from DB Drive. So check it out. We have it in 10 and we have it in 12. That's the new model, the 12-inch shallow drive, neo carbon subwoofer. So yeah, guys, check that out. Jerry, good question. We have for your 2013 Ram, we do 10s, 12s, and we have the box for 2.8s. But for your Dodge Ram, we actually done how many Rams we did today? One Ram. Yeah, but we did a base package on the Ram for 2 10s. Man, it sounds really good. Felix, we have a box for your Ford, but we have the box in 2 10s and 2 12s. Now you could do you could get away with it with 2 8s, but the box is gonna be sticking out a little bit, but that will work. But we can also do 2 8s. Box for a Durango, man, it just depends. I know you have a 3rd row box for a Durango, but we can get you a small little thin box for 2 10s, 2 12s, or even a small box for 2 8s. But so it just depends what kind of box or what kind of space you want to lose. Box for 92S10, guys. We do have just a universal boxes. So if you have a single cab, I do have universal boxes for single cabs, guys, for 8s, 10s, and 12s. I don't have RCA splitter boxes. I don't, but I do have the RCA splitters itself. Right now, guys, on the kickers, I have a special on the kickers for 212s box and amp. I have it for $429, guys. A couple of 0 gauge wiring kit. We have, we have our big 3 upgrading kit. We have it DB Drive. We have 0 gauge, 4 gauge. We have all those, guys. And of course, we have the standard RCA splitters. We have them too as well. So look, guys, let me show y'all. So if you're looking for some particular, excuse me, Sammy. So this is our webpage, guys. So if y'all not from here, y'all not local, so if you want to see our kicker package, there you go. So we gotta go to eastcaraudio.net, click on deals and combos, click on all packages, scroll down. So that's the package for 2 10s right there, guys. And then if you want the 212 combos, bam, $429. So there you see, $429. We have the kicker combo available, everything included, system, everything. So it depends on what kind of space you want to lose on your kind of car, guys. So we have packages for everything. Packages for subwoofers for trucks. We got packages. For example, we got the ECA. We have single boxes. So we got different base packages, guys. For example, you're looking for a box for your F250. Type in F250 and there you go, the options as far as boxes. So we have the boxes for F250s, guys, 2009 and up. We have them in 2 8s, 10s, and 12s, guys. So we also have the box for single cab. So let's say, for example, you want to do a single cab box. So this is a box for 110 for a single cab. Let me show you guys, single cab. So depends. You have a 14 and up Chevy single cab. There's your boxes. So that's it, guys. So make sure you hit up eastcaraudio.net. You have all the pictures on boxes on what you're looking for. So we have them all available here at East Car Audio and eastcaraudio.net. So check that out, guys. And then of course, here's our selection of headlights. We do build custom headlights here. So we all have these assembled. We have the 07 and 14. We have the Dodge Chargers. We have Charger 15 and up. We're actually doing a charger right now. That's staying overnight. We're doing headlights and the whole sound system. Levon, what's going on, Levon? So we, as far as American bass, bud, I only have the HD8s. That's what I carry a lot. Most of the 8s is the American bass. That's what I do have, and I do have it in stock and available for $219. But for your 05 Tahoe, dude, Canito, we have everything, man. We have all available for your 05 Tahoe. Sylvester's, I got them for $149 for the pair. But user, can you show a box for a 06 Silverado? Yeah, but so let me show you the box for the Silverado. So this is the box right now I do have for the 4.8s. Right there for the 4.8s for single cabs and crew cabs 99 to 06 and crew cabs 03 to 06 available. Have it in 2.8s and 2.10s, guys. So have it. So hey, good question, bro. Hey, we can, bro. And send me some info. Send me a message, direct message me. We could do that one day, bro. Definitely we can. We go live together. We see what you got. We see what we have. TY. I don't have them in stock. The L7s, I do sell them, but unfortunately, you know, I've been selling a lot right now, so I'm having some space. So now I get some more woofers in. So hopefully I can get some in here, guys. Rodriguez, good question, brother. As far as that, I do carry a lot of Sundown audio. I do have them in X8s and S8s, and I also have DB drives like the G7s and G5s. Real big fan of them. To me, that's more of a competition ones. From there, that's all I carry. But Richard, no box for 18, brother. We could build you something, bro. Let me know. On the OEM system, David, I do recommend you, if you're going to go OEM system, I do recommend you doing Infinity Kappas. That's an awesome system upgrade from your factory. Or if you don't want it too crazy, you can always do kickers like these. What I was saying, the DSCs, those are great line for kickers. Those are good ones. So normally on a car, we do either something between $350, that's including the speakers and labor itself. Hey, David, we do ship, bro. Again, make sure you hit up our page. Hit up eastcaraudio.net. eastcaraudio.net. We have all speakers there available too as well. We'll ship them out to you, but no problem. They will ship anything out to you. So we got some custom headlights going to go out. So they're gonna go for a customer. So we sold them, Eddie, but yeah, we always can get them the V4s. Right now we do have the V3s right now, the 800 watts, but we also can get you the V4s. I don't have them here because, like I said, I don't have too much room, but we have also the V4s, 1000 watts. We do have them as well, guys. Check out, I know some of y'all seen it earlier, but check out these new Euphoria Expert Series subwoofers. Look at this design. That thing is awesome. Look at the carbon fighting cap. That's awesome. Look at the basket. Brenton, stay away from the 12s, brother. Get you 2.8s. Call it a day, Brenton. Not really, Willis Martinez. We don't have no Alpines right now, but old school wise, you're talking about knowledge. Best loudest 10s right now. Believe me or not, the loudest 10s I do have in stock is gonna be the G0s. Actually, these right here. These are the ones I have in stock right now. Those are rated at 500 watt RMS. So I do have those in stock right now as 10s. Brenton, again, brother, it depends on you, honestly. But our entry level package system for the 2.8s, I have it for $849. I have it available on our website, bro. That sounds better than 2.10s and 2.12s. 100% guarantee you. So 2.8s. DB drive, the WDX, this one, the 10, this one right here, DB drive, brother. David, the loudest 6x9, my opinion, is going to be the AP from Apocalypse. They're 200 watts RMS each, and the loudest 6.5 is going to be the 67A and Neos from Arnold's, from Death Bounce. Three-way, what I would do in as far as three-way, I don't have too much options in three-ways. Either you do that or components. The best one I have as far as three-way, damn, I really don't have a three-ways. I only have two-ways. So I really don't have two-way, three-ways. Actually, I do have those Memphis right there. The PRs, those are three-way. Kickers are half two-way. So yeah, I don't have too much of a three-way. Now, money sign, great question for the DS18 red tips and the 4 tweeters. You want to keep everything DS18s? Because if you do want to keep everything DS18, I do have the DS18 6 channel, which is a Candy 6. I recommend you that. You could do all the tweeters and all your 6.5s. Best subs, Keith, honestly, do some 8s, bro. 8-inch woofers. Do some 8-inch woofers, bro. That's awesome. That's what I recommend you, man. We do have a couple shallow mounts, but it depends. You know, I do have specials on our website, but I can show you some that I have here. One of my favorite ones that we do sell a lot are the PSW from DS18s. They handle some power. They're actually 500 watts RMS too, believe me or not. And second place to me, they come from the Speed Series. Speed Series, awesome brand from DB Drive. I love them. So, and then we also have the Memphis. Now, Memphis is the best quality audio you get, bro. For sure, 209 each. Keith, awesome, bro. Yeah, definitely check our website, man. We have different bass packages there, and we could definitely send you anything you're looking for, bro. Hey, Edgar, roughly how much would an amp and box 210s run me? All right, hey Edgar, I do have a base package for trucks starting about $499, bud. So check it out. It's 210s, kickers, the box, amplifier, warranty, and everything for $499. Brinson, for your truck, man, just do the 2H, bro. Do the 2H for your F250. Trust me, you get the better sound. I can get you the box that goes behind the seat for 210s, but straight up, if you want that nice bass in the F250, brother, I 100% recommend you doing 2H, bro. Trust me, you won't regret it. Joaquin Macias, my tweeters blew out twice. Is it true that you need to lower my filters? And it's not that good, though. You gotta see what kind of bass blocker you have. If you don't have a bass blocker, you need to put that in there. Sometimes retuning your system helps, so check that out. But it can. The G100, you can. Honestly, well, I'm gonna be honest with you. A money sign, I wouldn't. I will still go more of the SXE, so 100.4 than the G1000. Just get the Candy 6. Avoid any issues. Avoid any overheating issues. Because if you do put them on that 4-channel bud, then you might have issues of overheating and trying to power all that up. A Shell 10, yeah, but so let me show you how Shell 10 looks like. So for example, that's a regular sub, regular 10-inch, and this is a shallow. You see a difference? Smaller. Ear is right here, but the APS X69s right there, 200 watts RMS each, and the AP M67s AN Neos. No problem, Keith. No problem, man. That's what we're here for, brother. 2000 extended cab Serato under seat box. Yeah, Cruz, we have them in 10s, 12s, and 8s, bro. So, David, all the ones we have different options. So we have actually 100% copper or OFC. So we have different options for you, the ones you want to get. So we have different options for you, bud. Blizzard, oh, brother, the 4x6, the Kappas, the Freddy Kappas are the best ones. First place, in my opinion. Second place, WDX Motos G2s. These are my top 2 sellers for 4x6s, guys. So check it out, the Wizard. Those are top 2 sellers that I have for single cabs, OBSs, and all that vehicles that take 4x6s. Those are 2 brands I recommend. Box for 06 GMC Sierra Crew Cab. Juan Rico, we do have them, Carito. We have them in 2.8s, 4.8s, and 2.10s, canal. We do have them, brother. Good speakers, Julio Tapia. Honestly, bud, without an amp speakers or anything like that, you could do the Memphis. The PR series are really good. You don't require an amp to them, but whenever you do put an amp to them, you can handle even more power. So yeah, bud, so that's my options right there as far as that, bud. Angel, yeah, bro, I was answering some questions earlier. We have the 4x6, the Kappas. That's the ones I recommend you, bud. Infinity Kappas, the best ones to go as far as first place. Second place, the WDX G2's 4x6 cap CT sound from DB Drive. But yeah, but as far as 6.5s, what I recommend, it depends on the sound, but if you're looking for something clean and simple, the 50 Kappa is the best one to go. You want something loud, that's what's real popular. Have the 67s AN Neos. That's the things that are loud. Hey, hell yeah, I would, bro. Hell yeah, I would. We do a lot of the 2K system, bro. 2000 watts with the G1s with these, and that thing bangs on trucks, bro. Anthony, yeah, we do have little small 4-channel amplifiers. They're marine, but we also use them in small compact cars and all that. We do have them real small. And then we also have one of our popular ones from DS18s, the little X4. We actually put this on the little Fox body, on a Mustang. And this amp, you'll be surprised, but that thing does some sound, guys. So there's a little amplifier right here. This little amplifier. 2K, great question, man. I actually, to be honest with you, but as far as shallows, and not actually affordable, and it sounds badass. The PSW from DS18, 149, and they're actually 500 watts RMS, but actually do some sound. Oh, the one that we use a lot, besides the Alpine, if we have it, it's gonna be this Pioneer, the DHS42, but that's one of the top ones that we do have, that we sell a lot. So yeah, I do have the DS18 MRX 150. With touchscreen head unit with Bluetooth, auxiliary USB, and you can also do a backup camera on there. Anthony, we do have a box for your truck, but check us out for your Frontier. Type in Frontier, Nissan Frontier on our webpage, on a search point. You can see what kind of boxes we have for your Frontier, but I don't recommend you capacitors, Edgar. I recommend you doing an extra battery, like a little small HC, 600 or so. Capacitors, really, I don't recommend it. Michael Ayala, are the DB Drive good 12s? Yes, I personally have 112 of DB Drive. I recommend them 100% DB Drive. I need a box for a 16 Navigator, Gaito. I know you have the third row seat in the back, so I do have a couple options, Junior, so come and see us. I do have small boxes in 2.8s, 2.10s, and 2.12s, but you're gonna lose some space. That's the only bad thing about your Navigator. But all right, Michael, so I do personally have that subwoofer myself. If you do have that one, I do recommend you doing the WDX 3001. That one would be perfectly enough for that sub. Get that one right there. All right, but yeah, Owen, definitely go here to our East Car Audio page. So we do have mostly everything here on our webpage. So go to eastcaraudio.net. Do not type in your vehicle information. Do not do that. I do not recommend you doing that. Whatever you're looking for, like I said, someone I think was said Frontier earlier. So there you go, Nissan Frontier. Boom, they have different kinds of boxes. Let's say you're looking for combo, whatever combo, just type in combo and it gives you all the different combos we have. The kicker combo, so marine combo. Yeah, we have a lot of stuff for marines, the Can-Ams, Slink. So we have a little bit of everything. So we have deals and combos, kick on that too as well. So we have marine combo starting about $575, base packages starting about $499 for trucks. We have our speaker rack now. So we have different options, guys. And yes, that's our website at eastcaraudio.net. Eastcaraudio.net is our website, and you can definitely order it, and we'll ship it out to you guys. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. Again, thank you for the love and support from all those here from East Car Audio. Again, guys, make sure to visit our webpage at eastcaraudio.net and shop online. We'll ship it out to you. Again, take a look at our videos and everything we post on Facebook, Instagram, and here on TikTok. Again, guys, thank you for the love and support from all of us from here from East Car Audio. Peace.
Thanks for watching.